Okay, my dear students, uh, are you able to listen my voice?
Sir,
Shall I start my class?
okay. Sir,
So,
2 minutes, sir.
huh? Any problem?
0 minutes, sir.
Okay, shall I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Oh, somebody is raising hand. What is that? Any problem? So this is, I told you yesterday. So we have formulated this particular table, and after that, uh, we have calculated Zj, and after that Cj minus Zj. Cj minus Zj means 3 minus 0, 5 minus 0, 4 minus 0, and 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, like this. You will get all this Cj minus Zj values are as follows. So somebody is talking, Praveen Simmarchillu. Pavan, are you able to listen my words?
Yes, sir, I'm able to listen.
Uh,
I think students didn't mute their audio, sir. I think number 37, 29, LE 18. These students didn't mute their audio. Number 37, 29, LE 18. The student didn't mute the audio. Please kindly
So
mute your audio.
Hello, CR. Who is the CR, please?
Sir,
You ask your students to mute, or else I cannot continue. It is very difficult to teach through this online classwork, isn't it? At the same time, unless you concentrate on the screen by muting your voice, it is very difficult for me. People are coming and joining, asking me to admit. So when the class is going on, so when I'm concentrating on the subject, it is very difficult to do the things. Okay, here is a very critical problem. Please try to concentrate and I try to understand. So CJ values are 354000, and ZJ values, how do you got this? ZJ values 0 into 2, 0 into 2, 0 into 0, 0 into 3, like this. If you add all this vertical column multiplied by the CB, you will get 0. Similarly, all zeros are there. 3 to 2, you will get 0 here. So next, similarly, hence ZJ is zeros. Therefore, CJ minus ZJ here. 3 minus 0, 5 minus 0, 4 minus 0, and all these things. So like this, you are getting 3, 5, 4, all those things, because the problem is here is nothing but it is a maximization problem. In the maximization problem, Cj minus Zq, what is the maximum value? Maximum positive value you have to identify. 3, 5, so 5 is the maximum positive value, and you mark here vertical arrow. So therefore, it is going to be the entering column, what we can call it as. In the entering column, there are 3 elements, 3, 2, 2, 2, and to divide this thing, 8 by 3, 10 by 2, 15 by 2, 8 by 3, 10 by 2, and 15 by 2 to identify the key element. So therefore, you are getting 10 by 8 by 3, 10 by 2, 15 by 2, like this. So among all these things, what is the least ratio? Least ratio means this is 8 by 3 is the least ratio. Here you are getting 5, you are getting 7.5, whereas you are getting only 4, and 4 is the least ratio. And you mark a horizontal line here, horizontal arrow pointing towards this 8.3, like this. From this point to this point, you mark arrow like this. So this is the entering row, what we can call it as. So if you mark this, this is the entering column. So entering column and entering row, and you mark this as number 3 with a square block. You mark this as a square block with the 3, automatically it becomes the key element. Now you have to mark this key element with 1, and 2 and 2, they have to be made zeros. So now this next iteration, if you go for the next iteration, very careful. In the next iteration, so this is the key element. You now this 8 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 3, 1 it becomes. So you have to make it 1. This is 0, this is 0. Unit matrix. So therefore, 8 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 3, 0 by 3, 1 by 3, 0, 0 like this. And similarly, the ratio is 8 by 3. Next comes to, in the next column, you observe this 8 by 3, 2 by 3, 1, 0, 1 by 3, all these things. So therefore, here, the 3 element above this particular thing, so you can find out x2 and 5 are there. This x2 will come and occupy S1, and 5 and come occupy this particular 0 place. So S1 will go out, 0 will go out. The x2 quotient, x2 multiplication factor will come and occupy this particular 5 comma 5 x2 and 8 by 3, 2 by 3, 1, 0, 1 by 3, 0, 0, and finally it is 8 by 3 like this. It will reflect in the next iteration. You can see this. So S1 has gone out 0 and 5. 5 x2, 8 by 3, 2 by 3, 1, 0, 1 by 3, all these things. So in the next iteration, what we have to do is that you have to make it 0, you have to make it 0. Therefore, you have to write here new R2 is equal to new R2 with respect to you have to do it with respect to old R2. New R2 is equal to old R2 minus 2 into new R1. So with respect to this new R1, you have to calculate the iteration. So here you write down new R2 is equal to old R2. Old R2 means this is old R2. Old R2 minus 2 into new R1. So like that, this is new R2 is equal to old R2 minus 2 into this 2 minus 2 automatically what will happen? This becomes 0. So if you can do that particular iteration, and whereas 0 S2, 0 S1, they will remain same, and you will get 14 by 3 here, and you will get minus 4 by 3, 0, all these things. Similarly, this is new R1, you can say that third iteration. The new R3 is equal to, against this particular equation, you have to write new R3 is equal to old R3 minus 2 into this new R1. 2 into, with respect to this particular equation, particular iteration, particular row you have to calculate. So this old R3 is going to be converted into this new R3. This new R3 is equal to old R3 Old R3 means this is the old R3. Minus 2 into this new R1. Minus 2 into 2. And here automatically 2 minus 2, you will get 0. Only thing is that our intention is to make them zeros. So as per that, you have to do the thing. So new R3 is equal to, immediately is equal to old R3 minus 2 into new R1. With respect to this new R1, corresponding elements you have to carry out the iterations. So like that, you will get this particular thing. So this is the next iteration. In the next iteration, you will find out. So everything is over, and actually all these things. Now you have to identify ZJ. You have to calculate ZJ here. How do you calculate? Previously, there are 3 zeros. If you multiply everything, you got zeros. And CJ minus ZJ, you got 3, 4, 5, all those things, isn't it? Now this is a new element is there. 5 into 2 by 3. How much it is? 10 by 3. You got it 10 by 3 here. And 0 plus 0 plus 0 into this thing. Automatically, they will become zeros, isn't it? 5 into 2 by 3 plus 0 into minus 4 by 3 plus 0 into 5 by 3. These two things are 0. Therefore, 5 into 2 by 3, automatically 10 by 3 it will become. Okay, next, again 5 into 1. You got only 5 here. 0 into 0, 0 into 0, you will not get any result. So therefore, 5 into 1, you got 5. Next, similarly, 5 into 0, 0. 0 into 5, 0. 0 into 4, 0. Hence, you got 0 here. Next, 5 into 1 by 3. So it is only 5 by 3. And because 0 into minus 2 by 3, 0 into minus 2 by 3, because they are zeros. Again, 5 into 0, 0. 0 into 1 plus 0 into 0 plus, you will get only 0. Similarly, 5 into 0, 5 into 0, sorry, 0 into 0, 0 into 0, 1. Like that, you will also get 0 here. So like that, ZJ has to be calculated. So ZJ has to be calculated. You got this particular thing. Now CJ minus ZJ, that does not change CJ. CJ, if you go to the top equation, you will find out what is CJ. This is 3, 5, 4, 0 zeros. So from these elements, you have to delete. Okay, so 3, 5, 4. You have these elements, isn't it? 3, 5, 4. So 3 minus of here, it is 10 by 3. 3 minus 10 by 3, it becomes minus 1 by 3. 5 minus 5, automatically 0. 4 minus 0, 4 minus 4, sorry. Here it is 4 is there. And 4 minus 0, it is 4. 4 like that.
17. Please mute. Please mute your mic.
Who is 17? Please unmute.
Pawan,
Number 2 also. Number 2.
So for that 3 minus 10 by 3, you are getting minus 1 by 3. 5 minus 5, 0. And 4 minus 0, you are getting 4. And 0 minus 5 by 3, it is minus 5 by 3. 0 minus 0, you are getting 0. 0 minus 0, all these things, you are also getting 0 like this. Now Cj minus Zj, what is the maximum positive value? You have to identify. This is minus, you have to ignore. And this is not a positive value. And this is the only positive value. This is the only maximum positive value. Therefore, 4 is the maximum value. You can treat this as entering column. This is an entering column. These are the elements in the entering column. 0, 5, 4 are the elements in the entering column. Now divided by 8 by 3. 8 by 3 divided by 0, you will get the infinity or 0, something like that. Next, 14 by 3 divided by 5. 14 by 3 divided by 5, automatically it will becomes 14 by 15. 24 by 3 divided by 4, 24 by 12. But there is 29 by 12 is there. We have to check if it is a 29 by 3, and if you divide it by 4, automatically 29 by 12 it will become. If it is 24 by 3 divided by 4, automatically it will become 29 by 12. Okay. So like this, these are the, so this cannot be considered here in the first row. So it is a 8 divided by 8 by 3 divided by 0 means you cannot get any value. Or similarly, negative values cannot be considered. Negative values cannot be considered also. So therefore 14 by 15, 29 by 12, automatically 14 by 15 is less than 1, whereas this is greater than 1. Automatically this is 2 point something else, this less than 1. 14 by 15 will become the least ratio. 14 by 15 will become the least ratio. Therefore, you mark a horizontal line here. You mark a horizontal line, and this becomes the key element. 5 becomes the key element. 5 becomes the key element. 0, 5, 4 is the entering column. And so like this, you have to mark this particular 5 with a square block. So square block means key element. You can to identify the particular. Now this particular 5 has to be turned into 1, whereas the other elements in the column, vertical column, are to be made zeros. This is already 0. This 4 has to be made 0. So in the next iteration, you can see this. If you intend to make it 1, divided the entire elements in the particular row, all the elements in the particular row by 5. 14 by 3 divided by 5. So 14 by 15 it becomes. Next, minus 4 by 3 divided by 5. So minus 4 by 15. Okay. Next, 0 by 5 means 0. And 5 by 5 means 1. And minus 2 by 3 divided by 5. Minus 2 by 15. So this is 1 divided by 5. You got 1 by 5. And this is 0 by 5. You got 0 like this. Okay. Have you followed? So after this, in the first equation is already 0 is existing. Therefore, you need not do any. So you need not do anything. Just copy this entire line. Copy this entire first row here. 5x2, 5x2, 8 by 3, 2 by 3, 1, 0, 1 by 3, 0, 0. And finally, the ratio has to be, this can be calculated later, not now. So copy all these elements, the first row here. So you got 0, you got 1 here, whereas third row is there. Third row is there. And here you write down before this row, new R3 is equal to, new R3 means new row 3. New row 3, row R stands for the row. New row 3 is equal to old row 3, old R3. Old R3 means this is old R3 because the iteration is over, old R3 minus 4 into new R1. minus, because this has to be made 0 means minus 4 into, so this with respect to this you have to calculate is nu R2. So minus 4 into nu R2, automatically this becomes 0. So if we apply all the elements, nu R3 is equal to old R3. This is old R3. With respect to old R3, with respect to nu R1, nu R2, you have to carry out the particular iterations. That is the criticality in understanding and calculating the entire difficulties at this particular stage only. If you are able to understand this particular thing, you can easily solve the particular problem. Nu R3 is equal to, you write here, old R3 minus 4 into nu R2, minus 4 into nu R2. Automatically this becomes 0. So if you apply the equation for each and every element, you will get the particular thing. Okay, you will get this particular row as follows. Here, this, because this is a key element, if you go to the top, there is x3 and 4. So when you mark this as key element 1, the x3 and 4 will replace. S2 will go out, 0 will go out, automatically x3 will come here, 4 will come here. So x3, the 4 is nothing but the multiplication factor of x3 that is given in the objective function. So therefore 4x3 will occupy. So S2 has gone out, S1 has gone out, and similarly now this is x3 and 4, 14 by 15, 4 by 15, 1 minus 2. This is very important. So next comes to, this is you have already calculated, 0 S3 will remain as usual. There is now comes to, you have to calculate Zj after this. After first row, second row, third row. First row we have copied as usual. Second row we have derived after the key element is completely transformed into 1 by dividing the corresponding 5. Now nu R3, this is nu R3, means old R3 minus 4 into nu R2, 4 into nu R2. So we got this particular thing. This is the nu R2, and you got this nu R3, and we copied this first nu R1, and you got Cj minus Zj we have to calculate. So now you go for this 5 into 2 by 3. 5 into 2 by 3 plus 4 into minus 4 by 15. 5 into 2 by 3. For every row has to be multiplied by 5 by 4, 540. 5 into 2 by 3, 4 into minus 4 by 15, 0 into 41 by 15. If you calculate, you will get 34 by 15. Next, 5 into 1, you get 5 here. This is 4 into 0, and this is 0 into 0. So therefore, 4 into 0 gives you 0, 0 into 0 gives you 0, and 5 into 1, so therefore you will get 5. Similarly, 5 into 0, you will get 0 here. 4 into 1, you will get 4 here. 0 into 0, 0. So finally, you got 4 here. Okay. Next, 5 into 1 by 3 plus 4 into minus 2 by 15. 5 into 1 by 3 plus 4 into minus 2 by 15, and plus 0 into minus 2 by 15. If you add these particular thing, you will get 17 by 15. 5 into 1 by 3, 4 into minus 2 by 15, 0 into minus 2 by 15, 17 by 15 you are getting. Next, 5 into 0, 0, 4 into 1 by 5. So automatically 4 by 5. And 0 into minus 4 by 5, it becomes 0. You will not get anything. So 5 into 0, 0, plus 4 into 1 by 5, 4 by 5, plus 0 into minus 4 by 5, 0. And therefore you are left with 4 by 5. And here 5 into 0, 4 into 0, 0 into 1, finally you got 0. So this is the Zj values. Now Cj minus Zj. Cj minus Zj means there is 3, 5, 4. So 3 minus 34 by 15. 3 in the top above the first table, if you go to this particular table, so you can find out 3, 5, 4. 3, 5, 4. First table, objective function elements, Cj does not change, and 3, 5, 4, 3 minus, so 3 minus 34 by 15. 3 minus 34 by 15, you will get 11 by 15. So 5 minus 5, 0, 4 minus 4, 0, and 0 minus 17 by 15, minus 17 by 15 it is. 0 minus 4 by 5, you will get minus 4 by 5. 0 minus 0, you will get 0 here. So I think you have followed the CJ minus ZJ evaluation in the second iteration. Okay, now the CJ minus ZJ values, you have to identify maximum positive values. So this is a negative value, this is a negative value, this is a 0 value, this is 0 value, 0 value, but still there is 11 by 15, a positive value, isn't it? A positive value. Now this positive value has to be removed. There should not be, CJ minus should be always negative or 0, negative or 0, less than 0. Then we can solve the particular solution to the particular problem. So next in the next iteration, CJ minus ZJ has to be CJ minus ZJ. So this is the entering column. So entering column means 2 by 3, 4 by 15, minus 4 by 15, 45 and 15 are the elements. So therefore, and 8 by 3 divided by 2 by 3. So all these elements, so you have to divide this equation in equalities by these vertical column elements. You mark this as entering column. You have to identify the key element. For the key element, you have to carry out the ratios. 8 by 3 divided by 2 by 3. So you got 4. 14 by 15 divided by minus 4 by 15. So it is a negative, hence you should not consider. You should not consider negative or 0. You cannot consider. Next, 89 by 15 divided by 41 by 15. So automatically 89 by 41, isn't it? So among all those things, what is the least ratio? 89 by 41, it is just coming as 2 something else, whereas it is 4. 4 is a negative, consider cheyakudu, and this is 2 something like that. So therefore, this is the, here you mark an horizontal arrow. Arrow means automatically 41 by 15 will become the key element. 41 by 15 will become the key element. You have to make it 1. For that, you have to multiply all these elements with 15 by 41. To make this 1, if you multiply with 15 by 41, automatically it becomes 1. So this element and this element, they are to be made zeros. So 1, 0, 0, 0 was 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. You will get a unit matrix. Automatically, you will get the solution. So you observe this particular thing. 41 by 15 means 15 into 41. So 89 by 41. So 89 by 15 into 15 by 41. Into 15 by 41, 15 will close down, and 89 by 41, you got this particular ratio. So this is 0 by 15, 0 into 15 by 41, 0 into 15 by 41, and again 2 by minus 2 by 15 into minus 2 by 15 into 15 by 41, it becomes 2 by 41. Here you get